Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial and demonstration of the University of Utah Scholarship Application website. The website is available at utah.academicworks.com. You will need your unit and password to log into the system and start your application. You will also need to use the Duo two-factor authentication to complete the login process. You will need to begin your scholarship application with the general application questions. These questions are common to all scholarships. You will see that most fields have a red asterisk. This denotes that it is a required field. The system will not allow you to proceed if a selection or text is not entered. As you move through the general application questions, you will encounter fields that require an extended response, such as a brief statement. You can enter your response directly, or you can cut and paste your response from another program. If, however, you want time to formulate a response and enter it later, you may click the Save and Keep Editing button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be able to log out and return to your application and finish the general application questions at a later date. Once you have finished all of the general questions and have completed the certification, you can click the Finish and Submit button. At that point, you'll receive an email acknowledging receipt of your general application questions. Based on your school record and general application questions, you'll be presented with a listing of recommended scholarship opportunities. There are some opportunities you do not have to apply to, but will automatically be matched to. Qualifying for any scholarship, however, does not guarantee you'll receive it. To view all scholarship opportunities, click Opportunities in the red section and select All. You can narrow your search by entering a keyword in the keyword field. Clicking on a scholarship name will show you the description of the opportunity and any additional requirements or questions. To apply for a scholarship, click the Apply button and fill out the supplemental questions as needed. As with the general application, if you find you need time to formulate a response at a later time, you can click the Save and Keep Editing button, log out, and return to the opportunity and complete the request. When done, click Finish and Submit. Some opportunities require references. References can be entered in the link that says Add New Reference, or if you've already established a reference in another opportunity, you may choose that reference from the drop-down box. To check on the status of your applications, go to the My Applications section, and you'll be presented with a dashboard of the opportunities you've applied for. In this dashboard, you can see the opportunities you've applied for and also be alerted of opportunities you need to finish. In this case, the Marion W. Ingham Endowed Scholarship requires attention. You can click Finish to complete that application. Further down, you can change or update your general application and view opportunities that you've already applied for. If you have any additional questions, please contact the Financial Aid and Scholarships Office at 801-581-6211 or scholarship@sa.utah.edu. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Please leave comments in the YouTube page if there are any glaring omissions or suggestions. Thank you.